welcome to a new vlog. I am currently in my bed and it is Monday. As you can see, I just washed my hair. I just went to the gym this morning and it was so nice, and it kicked my ass. I did arms today and I could barely drive back home, but it was so necessary because I need to look good at prom and in Portugal too. Like, come on. So today is a self-care day. So today we're gonna chill together. I'm gonna take care of my skin, of my hair, as you can see. We're gonna go grocery shopping, and then I have to finish my project because since my internship is done, well, I have a project to present and it's on Thursday. So I gotta do that. So let's start the vlog. Just the other day, I heard a hoe say, matter of fact, what could a hoe say? With a busted ass hoes that you kiki with, I've been... But if there's one thing that I know, so don't come for me unless I send for you. I know you're dead to me. You're dead to me. You're obsessed with letting go. Got lost in her eyes. Try, you know, forget. Unboxing! I just got back from the grocery store and I'm gonna show you what I got. I got 2 baguettes, yum yum, salmon, because I want to try a TikTok recipe and it looks good. It's like teriyaki salmon or something. Teriyaki marinade and spicy mayo, beef for fondue, but like you can do it in your soup. Like you can cook them in your soup with noodles and like vegetables and it tastes amazing. Bell peppers for salads, pasta, tagliatelles, chocolate milk, 2 chocolate milk because I'm obsessed with chocolate milk and like instant coffee. That's so good. Like you whip it, you put chocolate milk instead of regular milk. It's delicious. Milk, regular milk, orange juice, tomatoes, and then mix for smoothies, and then shrimp, sourdough bread, 2 cans of whole tomatoes, tuna. I got a little bit of, it's like a sauce, a dipping sauce, but like I use it for sandwiches because it's really good. Sushi, nori, roasted seaweed, spinach pizza, chips, eggs, smoked meat for sandwiches, yogurt, the best yogurt ever, and 1 cucumber. And that's it. Hello! So we're back trying TikTok recipes. I've seen this video on a girl's page named Isabelle. I'm gonna put her TikTok down below and you'll see. Basically, it's a snack where there's a nori, like a seaweed sheet, with rice, and then with salmon, and you put the rice, you put the salmon, and then you put spicy mayo with sesame oil, but I can't find the sesame oil, so it's gonna only be spicy mayo, and then normally you put sesame over it, but I don't have sesame either. So basically it's my version of this. So I've marinated the salmon and cooked it in the air fryer. So basically you kind of mush it. You take 1 sheet, you put a little bit of rice, and then you put your salmon, okay? And then, so it looks like this, and then you put the spicy mayo. Oh my goodness. And then you taste. So taste test. This better be good, oh my God. It's good.
It's really good. 10 out of 10. We recommend.
Hi, so I haven't filmed in a while. It's because I was so busy finalizing my work, my end of semester, end of bachelor project. So I've finally done it, like I've submitted it, and look at it, look at it. Pretty nice, showing you, you know, not too much, but yeah, I'm super proud of what I've done. But yeah, the only thing left is the presentation that is in 2 days on the 28th. Today is the 26th. So now I only have to practice like an 8-minute presentation. Like I have to put 4 months in 8 minutes. So that's a lot. And yeah, it's been a lot. I'm at 20 minutes, so I just need to get to 8, you know. I didn't go to the gym today because I'm so sore. The fact that I haven't gone to the gym in so long has impacted me. Like I feel it so much. I'm hurting. But yeah, it's been a while since I've shown you what's new in my closet, and I'm like, well, why not? Because I'm starting to, you know, shop for Portugal for the summer, for spring, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna show you like the recent pieces. So first off, I'm gonna start off with tops. I bought this little top from Winners. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, like so. But it's actually the brand House of Harlow 1960. House of Harlow 1960. Super cute. It's like a sweetheart. Is it sweetheart? It's like a square neckline, but then it's sweetheart over here. Super cute. And then I have this top, super duper cute. It's like a mint color. I kind of was boycotting this color because I thought that it would wash me out, to be honest. But I love this like style of top so much, and the quality, it's just so thick. Like it was super good quality. And then I bought this skirt because I'm all for maxi skirts. I'm all for maxi skirts coming back in style. And so I got this one. It's a white, all white skirt with the slit in the back right here. And the pattern, it's like a wavy pattern. It's like ribbed, but like it's a wavy pattern. Do you see it? And it's from Dynamite. I got it in a size extra small because I wanted it to be tight. I'm not sure though if I'm keeping it, but I think I will. I think I will. I think I have a vision and it's gonna happen. Next, I have this top. It is so cute and dainty. I'm obsessed. It's from French Connection, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I got it in a size small. Maybe it looks kind of weird like this, but do you see the vision? Like this is where your breast is, and then you have your sleeves, the flowiness underneath it, and like the details. I find it so cute with like the flowers here. And then the last piece that I wanted to show you is this orange button up. Of course now it's wrinkly because I kind of hang it with my clothes, but I have a lot of clothes so it kind of gets wrinkly. 100% linen, that's why it's all wrinkly, but it's super duper cute and it looks so good on my skin. And for real now, the actual last thing that I wanted to show you, pants from Aritzia. They are straight pants. They're not full length, they're like maybe 7/8 length, you know what I mean? Like almost there, but like they show like your ankles a little bit, and they're gray. Like it looks just so crisp with like a white t-shirt or like a little white top. And yeah, I'm really obsessed with this one. It's very cute and it's very corporate. Since your girl, oh, I didn't even tell you. Let me give you a little life update. Let me give you a quick life update. Okay, last time you saw me here, it was because I was printing something very, very important. And I was so happy. Cue the video here. Oh my God. It is real. Well, I'm happy to announce that I got a new job. Oh, I'm so excited that I'm starting very, very soon. So I can't wait to see what the future holds for me. I'm very happy that I got the job that I got in the field I studied in. So yeah, I'm just happy that I have this new beginning in my life, and I of course will show you what I can show you, but not too much. We gotta keep a little bit of a, you know. So excited. Hey, so I'm back from the gym. My legs were literally shaking after my workout, so I think it's a good thing. Right now I'm currently trying outfits for Portugal. I'm gonna film a video about it, but just trying the skirt with like different options, and I think I'm gonna keep the skirt because it's super cute, like with sandals or even like sneakers, you know, dress it up, dress it down. And like my hair, I think I want to keep my ginger hair for Portugal. I don't know, I'm not sure yet, but I really like this look, so I think I'm gonna keep the skirt. So I'm currently by the water and I'm going to practice my presentation. I have to talk for 8 minutes tops, like max. This is my view right now. And yeah, so let's practice this thing. So I just got ice cream. It's like a slushie with ice cream in it. Very good. But yeah, my camera is dead. My camera battery is dead, so we're filming on my phone. But it looks like this. It's like a craving that I always get. I don't know why. It's just so good. There's something about cream and like sugar. It's so good. So I finished the book. It was really good. I wasn't expecting the ending, but you know, it still finished cutesy because it's a love story, of course. But I really liked it. I would give it like maybe like a 8, like 7.8 out of 10. Yeah. Hi. So I'm checking in quick just to show you my outfit. I'm going to the restaurant, and here is my fit. I'm wearing like a slit dress with like asymmetric shoulder and a leather vest. I'm gonna bring my scarf, and I think I'm late, so my friend is waiting for me, so let's go.
You were beautiful,